Welcome to our live show today about high alloy castings and forgings. As you know, EB China specializes in wear, heat, and corrosion-resistant castings and forgings and machines. So now, this afternoon, we will take this opportunity to introduce our more products to all of our friends here. Okay, so our company, EB China, full English name is Eternal Bliss Alloy Castings and Forgings Company Limited. We are about 150 kilometers far from Shanghai. So, most of our alloy castings and forgings are shipped from Shanghai port or delivered, from Shanghai Pudong International Airport. So it is very convenient for us to arrange the shipment. Okay. So far the registered capital of EB China is 13.14 million Chinese yuan. And so far we have passed many different important certifications for our company and our foundry and forging plants. Okay, so now I'd like to take this opportunity to show you our important certificates. Okay, so this one is quality management system certificate. This QMS complies with GBT 19001 2016, ISO 9001 2015 requirements. This certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings. You can see our certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, the date of initial certification. Also, you can find our unified social credit code of the certified organization. So everything is shown clearly on our certificate. Also, you will see that this certificate was issued by IAF-CNAS, this international organization. Okay, so this is our occupational health and safety management system. This certificate complies with GBT 45001 2020, ISO 45001 2018 requirements. The certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings and signs. Also, you can see our certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, the date of initial certification. Also, you can find our unified social credit code of the certified organization. Also, you will note that this certificate was issued by CNAS. Okay, so this is our third certificate. Also, it's very important. This certificate is about environmental management system certificate. This environmental management system complies with GBT 24001 to 2016, ISO 14001 2015 requirements. This certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings and size. Also, you can see our certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification, and you can find our unified social credit code of the certified organization. Also, you can see, our environmental management system certificate was issued by IAF and CNAS, these two international audition organization. Okay, my dear friends, if you are interested in our high alloy castings and forgings products, please feel free to follow us on Alibaba Shop. Then you can send us your inquiry to our email, also to send us the online message. Okay. Also, as you may know, so far we have been the international good supplier on Alibaba International for more than 6 years. Okay, so now I'd like to show you our certificate. Okay, so you can see this is our verified supplier certificate. Okay. Also, this is our certificate number. Also, this is our full company name. Yes, this certificate was valid from September 16th, 2020, and until September 15th, 2021. Okay, this certificate was issued by TUV. Okay, so also we are also the audited supplier of MIC. Also, this certificate was issued by SGS. Yes. Also, you can see that SGS came to us to make the audit on June 15th, 2020. Okay. So, also, just this May, we MIC and SGS issued the Manufacturer Beauty Award to us just in this May. Also, perhaps EB China is also the member of Wuxi E-Commerce Chamber. Yes, we are active to participate in different activities to take our social responsibilities. Also, okay, so now you may make a better understanding on EB China. Actually, EB China not only just focus on designing, manufacturing, and marketing the high alloy castings and forgings. We also focus on the research and development of new materials, including ceramic materials, metal materials, especially wear, heat, and corrosion resistant materials. Okay. So far we have awarded 22 patents. 22 patents. Yes. So you can see, just for example, this is for this patent is for high strength, toughness lift bar castings for mining industry. Yeah, this is a kind of wear products. Okay, this is our patent. Totally 22 patents, and also this year we are applying for the high new technology enterprise in China. Okay, this patent is also for a special mining lift bar products. This patent is for our metallurgical system improvements. This patent is also for a kind of machining platform design. This patent is for a special heat treatment process for our double media quenching heat treatment. This patent is for our aluminum castings. This patent is for material handling basket. Okay, so in addition to 24 patents, also in this May, we applied for another 2 new patents. This June, we applied for another one new patent. Also, so far we have our own trademarks. Okay, so far we have 5 trademarks. Yes, this one is for EB bolt. Second one is for EB weld. The third one is for EB casting. Yes, the fourth and the fifth one is for our Chinese trademarks. Okay, so so my dear friend, if you are interested in our high alloy castings and forgings, please follow us on our Alibaba International Shop. Then you also can send us an email, yes, to mention your requirements. Also, you can send us the online message, and you are always welcome. Okay, thank you. So that's all for my company introduction today, and let's welcome our colleague Shelly for her next live show about cobalt alloy castings. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. So let's wait here. Okay, so welcome, Shelly. Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Sherry from EB China. Welcome to our live show today about cobalt alloy and dental alloy. Catalog. Part 1 is cobalt alloy. Part 2 is dental alloy. Part 1, I will introduce stainite boards and seals. Firstly, the material of stainite. Stainite is a hard alloy that can withstand various types of wear and corrosion and high temperature oxidation, commonly known as cobalt chromium tungsten or cobalt-based alloy. Stainite is based on cobalt as the main component, containing a considerable amount of nickel, chromium, and tungsten. You can see this table is chemical composition for stainite. We have stainite 3, 4, 6, 5, and 20, and 21. Next, the products for stainite boards and seals. You can see first one is stainite boards. The stainite board is cobalt alloy. The hardness is HRC 45 to HRC 55. The mostly used material is stainite 20. Second one is stainite 6. The material of the stainite 6 is generally lower than the material of the stainite boards. The material is stainite 3 or A3. Next, some photos of stainite boards and seals. Next, some videos for stainite boards and seals. You can see this video is for stainite boards. Next video is for process. Okay, next, some taking photos for stainite boards and seals. Next, test report for stainite boards and seals. Next, different size for stainite boards and seals. You can see the cobalt alloy boards. We have different specification, such as diameter 15.88 millimeter, diameter 25.4 millimeter, or 1 inch. Cobalt alloy seals. The standard is APR LAP. The material is stainite 3 for cobalt alloy seals, and stainite 20 is for cobalt alloy boards. Next, export from stainite boards and seals. We have exported stainite boards and seals to many countries, such as the USA, UK, Italy, Spain, Brazil, and Australia, and other countries. Our customers have very good feedback on our stainite boards and seals. If you have any inquiry for stainite boards and seals, please follow our brochure. Thank you. Next, part 2, dental alloy, nickel and cobalt dental alloy. chemical composition for dental alloy. The casting process of dental alloy bars is investment casting, also known as non-wax casting method. The basic process is to first make a wax model from wax or plastic. The surface of the wax model is coated with an embedding material to make the casting model, and then the molten alloy is cast into the casting cavity inside, forming a casting. You can see these tables is chemical composition for dental alloy. The first one is cobalt chromium dental alloy. The cobalt is balanced. The second one is nickel chromium dental alloy. And the nickel is balanced. Next, demand description for dental alloy. The market for dental alloy is very broad because of the widespread dental industry, and the demand for dental alloy has increased. As we all know, there are many kinds of dental alloy materials. Today, we show the demand for dental alloys of various materials. You can see the picture is for dental is demand description. First one is nickel dental alloy, accounts for 59% of the world. The second one is cobalt dental alloy, accounts for 31% of the world. The third one is nickel brilliant titanium dental alloy, accounted for 7% of the world. And the last one is others, accounted for 3% of the world. Next, some photos for dental alloy. Next, some videos for dental alloy. You can see this video is for nickel chromium dental alloy. Okay, next video. You can see this video is for cobalt chromium dental alloy. Okay, next I'd like to show some samples for you. You can see this product is our samples for dental alloy. You can see this one is cobalt chromium dental alloy. The diameter is 6 millimeter and the length is 8 millimeter. Okay, next, this one is nickel chromium dental alloy. You can see the diameter is 9.6 millimeter and the length is 10 millimeter. Okay. Okay. If you have any inquiry for nickel chromium dental alloy and cobalt chromium dental alloy, please follow our shop. I'd like to cook for you as soon as possible. Thank you. That's all for my speech now. Thank you for your valuable time. Welcome to our next live show. Thank you. Okay. Okay, welcome my colleague. Hello everyone, this is Ray. I'm from EB China. Now let me get the answer part. EB maple powder. Okay, let's learn the EB maple powder. The part 1 maple powder. Part 2 Part 1 maple powder. Part 2 maple powder, almond powder, and part 3 cocoa powder. Part 4 cobalt powder. Now let's learn the part 1 maple powder. The material of the maple powder. Look at this is the maple powder. It's black. The maple powder is pigmented with metallic nickel as the main maple powder, and as the main element include nickel powder and black nickel powder. Nickel powder is distilled and diluted. Nickel powder is distilled and diluted. The black nickel powder is made of the high nickel powder in the presence of the stable lubricant and bitumen. Is ground with the steel ball in a formula from the back of the stable pieces. Okay, look the picture is the nickel powder. You know. Now, last the color of the nickel powder. The red nickel powder is very easy to offset in the small air. Uses of the nickel powder. Used to cracker oils, high temperature resins at off-table and metal products, and also be used as a high temperature
machines. Now, how do we taking of the powder? We can take the picking of the nickel powder with primitive glass and bikes and iron trims. Look at the photo of the nickel powder. This and this is also the nickel powder. Nickel powder is real. Look at the nickel powder can taken off into ones, bikes, and trims. We can look at the test report of the nickel powder. Look at the nickel have 99 about a little COS and FE. Now look at the part 2 element powder. Look at the picture. This is aluminum powder. Aluminum powder is commonly known as silver powder. This is silver powder is a small amount of the laboratory is added to per element field, crushed into scaly powder and then toasted. Now let's learn the color of the element powder. Cellular white, metal powder. Uses of the powder is to use pens, inks, pens and fireworks. Taking of the powder. We can take it in glass and bags, shoes bags, clothes bags, and iron trims. Look at the picture. This is the element powder. The powder is bright and white. This is the taking of the powder. We can take it in the bites or the trims. The next one, the purple powder. The purple powder is have the purple powder and the purple powder. The purple powder is only purple, and the purple powder is have
of about 40 zinc and about 60 copper. Look at the purple powder. Purple powder is yellow. And the purple powder is red. The production price of the purple powder is divided into electric mass amounts about regulation. Now the most used method is elephant. Look at the color of the element powder. Oh. The color of the purple powder is red. The color of the purple powder is yellow. Uses of the powder. The purple powder is used in the powder method. The toys, sealing materials, electrical purple powder had conductive materials and weighing materials. Super hard materials, base station, and chimney industries. Now, how about the picking of the powder? We pick it with the nice line and close bags or iron dreams. Look at the picture. This is the purple powder. This is red. The red powder. The red powder is purple powder. And the yellow powder is purple powder. Look at the test report of the powder. The purple powder is the only purple powder about 99. And the purple powder is about purple about 60. And the zinc have about 40. Now part 4. Cobalt powder. Cobalt powder. Look at this picture. This is look at the picture. This is cobalt powder. The real medical for the production of cobalt powder. Look at the color of the cobalt powder. The color of the cobalt powder is green. How about uses of the cobalt powder? It's used in the high temperature oils. How about picking of the cobalt powder? We only pick it in the ion stream. Look at the photos. This is also cobalt powder. It's green. And we only pick it in the streams. Thank you.
Let me show you the new concept of fly crushing and grinding technology in cement and mining industry. Based on the theory of ball mill system engineering, this paper expands the comprehensive application of science and technology in the fly crushing and grinding process, and puts forward a new concept of cement and mine crushing and grinding technology through the analysis of the working conditions and operation of each working part of the ball mill. The next page is the introduction. Cement and mining industries are the basic industries in the national economy. They have the characteristics of mobility, large volume, and high energy consumption. Therefore, high efficiency and low consumption are topics in the cement mining industry. Throughout the domestic and the foreign markets, there are large ups and downs and various competition, and the ultimate goal of enterprise competition is quality and cost. Therefore, technological upgrading and equipment optimization should be the top priority of current enterprise development. Crushing and grinding production lines are widely used in the production of mining, cement, electric power, chemical industry, building materials, and other industries. Play the pivotal and fundamental role in the traditional manufacturing industry. That is also the main link for mining, cement, and other enterprises to improve efficiency and reduce consumption. After all, ores such as gold, silver, copper, iron, and tin are mined. They need to go through primary crushing, medium crushing, fine crushing, and then through grinding process to select, find, or powered every year. Nearly 2.4 billion tons of solvent, raw materials, and clinkers are crushed and ground, and the processing capacity of crushing and grinding process exceeds 6 billion tons, about 1.7 billion tons of coal used in coal-fired power plants must be crushed before it is injected into the boilers for combustion and power generation. Next page. In 2019, China produced 9.96 million tons of steel based on the average content of 30% ores. 3.3 billion tons of iron ore allowed it to be crushed underground every year. Gold, chromium, iron, and other metal mines have similar production processes. The gravel and the sand used in should be broken and finally broken before it can be applied to all kinds of construction projects. Crushing and the grinding processes concern about 4 million tons of well-resistant materials every year. The power consumption of crushing and grinding takes up nearly 70% of the whole production process. Therefore, the improvement of crushing and grinding production technology is the main direction for enterprises to achieve every energy saving, consumption reduction, and benefit improvement. Mistakes of current crushing and grinding process. Formula is called the law efficiency machine. In fact, details are misunderstanding. People don't really understand the formula. It is a decisive machine in the grinding process. The formula has been around for more than 100 years. Over the past 100 years, great changes have taken place in the grinding process. The practical size of the ball mill has changed from about 200 in sample production to about 1 in modern mass production. Crushing and grinding production is the main link in thermal production and mine beneficiation, and its power consumption accounts for nearly 30% of the anti-production present. Therefore, the improvement of the crushing and grinding production process is the main goal of the enterprise to achieve energy saving, consumption reduction, and efficiency improvement. Establish the working state of the ball mill under the new material condition and effectively with the roller press. Vertical mill and other medium and fine crushers improve the output, reduce energy consumption, improve the particle form, optimize the particle structure, and obtain the optimal performance of servant or significantly improves the efficiency here. We put forward the ball mill system engineering theory, and according to the system engineering theory, in the ball mill grinding process to make a harsh making changes, design and launch the ceramic lining plate and metal ball combination to increase output and reduce consumption. The proportion of ceramic is only about 47% of steel, which can reduce the weight of lining plate by more than 50%, improve the efficiency of ball mill, and reduce the energy consumption of ball mill. Ceramics have extremely high wear resistance, greatly reducing the rounding curve and maintenance rate of the ball mill. Next page is our production. Photo of ceramic lining plate. Next page is installation of shining the working state of the ball mills under the new material condition. Combination is with the roller press, increasing the output, reducing energy consumption, improving particle rate, optimize particle striving for the high strength of cement. Reduces 90% of the work of the mill variable, which not only reduces the manufacturing costs and rates of the ball mill, increases the strength of the body, but also eliminates leakage of power and material, and greatly improve the working environment of workers. Our new concept grinding process has been used commercially on the cement mill with diameters of 3.8 meters and 4.2 meters. Ceramic lining plate is used in industrial application with metal grinding brought on cement mill with diameter of 3.8 meters. In the cement mill with a diameter of 4.2, 13.5 meters. The output of 42.5 grade cement stand is as high as 290 tons, and the power consumption is about 24 degrees per ton. The output is about 230 tons, and the power consumption is about 30 to 33 degrees per ton, when the traditional design is using the same type of mill stand. The ceramic ball mill lining board has been used in changing 正 ceramic factory for more than 15 months. It has been reviewed by the customer that the design is mature and stable, and the well resisting board in the future and yet hard making product. The experimental result in an industrial test of 3.9 and 13 meters diameter ceramic mill, a single beam mill composed of combinated self-serving board free liner has been successfully run for several years. Compared with the traditional mill, the output has been increased by 30%. The power consumption per ton is about 25, and more importantly, the service line of well-resistant materials has been increased by more than 50%. The new concept of pressure and grinding technology can increase the output of the ball mill by more than 20%, save about 20% of electricity, and extend the life of well-resistant materials by more than 50%. The next page under the new working conditions, the work tasks on the existing ball mills have undergone a fundamental change. It is necessary to thoroughly study the ball mills and use comprehensive technology to improve the effective power of the ball mill. The ball grinding theory in ball mills is of no practical significance. Only the ball with uniform ball diameter has the greatest grinding ability. Single chamber mill composed of a variety of liners with different surface shapes can greatly increase the output of the mill and greatly reduce the power consumption. Extended well-resistant materials are the basis of the new concept of pressure and grinding technology. In the ball mill system engineering theory, ceramic liners and metal balls will be the best combination, and it can effectively use chromium solution. In the new concept of ball mill system engineering, graduated instrument or mines, rather than dry or wet grinding processes, we don't hesitate to accommodate the ceramic liners. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Helen from EB China. I will introduce the EB heat resistant steel. About heat resistant steel, allow steel with high strength and good chemical stability at high temperature. Our conventional heat resistant steel products include trace frames, resin tubes, and furnace ruler, centrifugal grate bars. Let's look the first. The first one is EB heat treatment rate. This rate is a common feeding equipment for medium and fine grind material, widely used in many metallurgy, building material, chemical, and other sectors. We have let's look at the next one. The next one is EB heat treatment basket. This basket it can be easily transported to the heat treatment machine, and the operator can use the handle to complete the work conveniently and easily, saving time and effort. Okay, let's look Okay, let's look. 这里吗？还是哪里？Okay. Let's have a look. This is one of our best seller. The product can be used in high temperature environment from 860 to 1250 degrees. This product manufacture is high precision. The raw material of product contain many elements like manganese and iron. But the most important component is nickel content. The nickel content determines the heat resistance of the product. Let's look at the next one. Here I have a heat resistant steel castings. Also, the most important component is the nickel. The nickel content. The nickel content determines the heat resistance of the products. This is the drawing of our products and round plates. The manufacture of plates is very process. If you need my products and need to provide drawing and material and size, we can customize it for you. This is the size. This is another product, EB radiant tube. Radiant tube, the radiant heating tube includes the electric heating, electric active sleeve to generate heat. The sleeve indirectly radiates the heat to the furnace lining and the working piece to the processed. It's widely used in the various heating furnace in the heat treatment industry.
好的好的。哦，唔寫你啊。哦。
The last one is a furnace roller. Roller case furnace is equipped with many horizontal rotating roller at the bottom of the straight furnace case, which drives the charge placed on the roller to move along the roller table. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any inquiry about bots, you can send it to my email. This is my email. I will bring you a more exciting live broadcast in the future.
Okay, I will introduce the review of bots and the nuts. As early as the 16th century Europe, now making rollers began producing nails with their trees. In 1797, mostly invented an ornamental precision scale. This is and the following year, Wilkinson made a nut and bolt manufacturing machine in the United States. Both machines can produce universal nuts and bolts. Until the 21st century, bolts are largely used in construction, machinery, furniture, electrical appliances, automobiles, lamps, and other industries. Materials produced by our company include carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, and special alloys such as 45 steel, SS 316, SS 304, SAF 2205, 2507, 42, and model K500, model 400. Dimension: the diameter is M6 to M100. The length is 20 to 800 and so on. Application: mainly used in cleaning machinery
cooling tower, and other industry equipment. Application. Ball mill bolts are widely used in ball mills, cement mills, coal mills, and windmills, including SAG mills, AG mills. Material grades. Commonly used 40 and 42 certified. This picture shows our product. This picture shows that the production process. Pillars, steel bolts generally refer to steel bolts that are resistant to corrosion by air, water, appliances, or other media. Application mainly used for environmental protecting equipment, medical equipment, power facilities, chemical instruments, petrochemical industries, pipelines, material gas, grids. Our most commonly produced materials are SSS 304, SS 316, SAF 2205, 2507, and Monel KF00 and Monel 400. This picture shows our products. And this our certificate. Thanks for watching, and if you have any inquiry about those, please send it to our email, forwarding@castings.com. We'd like to study your requirements and quote you the best prices. Please follow our shop on Alibaba. I will bring you a more exciting live broadcast in the near future.
Today I will show our treatment parts and folder, slide folder, and like cables. Okay, I will on my picture. Okay. About our slag pot and melting kettle securely and carving steel and maturity steel. This PPT. Okay, I will show my PPT and today I will introduce our EP melting kettles castings and slag pot castings and my name is John. First, about our slag pot and melting kettles that include three parts. The part is melting kettles castings. And part 2 is slag pot castings. And part 3 also is making it part in progress and welding. Okay, first one, our making kettles castings. Like this, like this picture. And that looks very big, and we often to make this part from windows to 100 tons per piece, and we often use the progress is semi casting progress, like this photos. Is very big and the long side is about 2 millimeters and the high side also is more than 2 millimeters. The first, the melting kettle castings. What's a melting pot or melting kettles? The melting kettles is used to make new products, like this new product. The first and a melting pot is poured with which melting or other can be made. Melting pot and this is our catalog first page. 3 melting kettles. And for our production, first of all, melting kettles maturely grade that's including online steel like the G230 and 270 and the melting and also we have carbon steel parts. And we also have green iron, heat treatment casting, and the chromovoltaic casting curing, and about 40 leaf. We often to make this part and per the national spending or international spending. That like some ISO spending and VG and ASTM or AS227 standards. And about our programs, we often use the programs in stand casting programs, and we also do machine programs and heat treatment programs. And sometimes we often use the forging programs to make some shaft in the making cables. And like this picture, this part we do heat treatment and we machine the first fish, and also to drilling 3 holes in a flange, in this flange. This side is very big, and that side is about 2 millimeters and 632 millimeters. And then the high side also is big. That's about 2,135 millimeters for this part. And about the trains for maturing solution. We can look at this part. Due to the outside was in service line, and we used some casting steel and casting iron, also some larger material. And we often also have some shoot to welding programs to make this part. And our catheter is from 10 tons, 30 tons, and 25 tons, 15 tons, 30 tons. And the paper is 1,000 tons per piece. And about our material grade, that is including the carbon steel, alliance steel, that's good quality alliance steels, and heat resistance casting iron, including the iron and our program also is casting program, including the machine programs such as drilling and typing. Like this catalog, this picture is our shipping and then pot. And the picture is our new and trusting. And about our this stage truck, we can make a big size alliance steel casting with the silicon programs, and we can live finish alliance steel castings with the heat treatment and machine programs. We can product alliance steel castings as per the ASTM A27 and the GPT 2087A and the DNI 17440 and another study. And about our biggest steel castings, we can achieve so far with 300 tons per piece, and very big. like these noodles. And about our voltage situation and permanent buff, including handles from 10 toes to 100 toes per piece. And our progress also in casting machine and heat treatment. And our service is OEM and ODM. Which means as per your style or drawings, as per your need. And about our style, customer style. And safety is ISO 901 and 2018 like this. And our quality culture 100 inspection one by one for inspection. And the supplier we can make 4,000 tools per year. And this is our inner time. Like this. This Excel list. And the quoted and from and less than 100 kilometers, we can expect time in less than 20 cars. And if our quote is less than 1,000 kilometers, our exit time is about 45 days. And if you put it more than 1,000 kilometers, but with the time it should be natural things. And this part is our inspection for making pillows like this. This is the first page and our company address and our information to contract. And our inspection report that is including the activity and we need a jury and the same thing is a site report and also including the drawings and some of the tests like the UT test and we did that. First page, we can manage the customers' name and the few numbers, name, and period grade, drawings, and quoting. Also, we can do his number and the production date and the inspection. Like this. This is our report, inspection report. The powder is our accurate like this. First is pure number and the powder number 40 and pure with like this. This is our temperature maturing. This material all is hot, and also some conduction like this part that is including the testing. And the part 2 is our side report, and including the OD side, ID side, and the single high side, and also some small side like the core side and another. And we can do this MP3 videos. This is checking the site. And we can do videos. We were checking the high side and hit to check. You wooden box, and this is checking this side and another to writing. Okay, this is very yeah. This videos. Into the making tables and checking high side. And writing. Yeah. Okay. And our part 2 side. Part 2 is a slang pot castings. Next is similar in metal skaters. Also in figure.